Welcome to this WordPress tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the default time zone in WordPress. This will allow you to display the time that pages and posts were published in your local time zone. This can be done in the admin panel of WordPress. So you must log in to the WordPress dashboard first. At the beginning of the tutorial, let's see how the site editor is currently displaying the date and time according to the time zone and date time settings of my local WordPress site. Here the published part shows the time zone as UTC plus 0. I do not belong to this time zone. Also, I don't like the date format either. So I will now change the time zone and date time format from the settings menu. To do this, first navigate to the settings tab on the left hand sidebar. Click the general to access the main setting for my website. Scroll down to the time zone section. By default, WordPress may set it to a UTC time zone. To change this, click on the drop-down menu under the time zone. You will see a list of time zones allowing you to select the one that corresponds to your local time. After selecting the appropriate time zone, scroll down to the date format section. Select the appropriate format that best suits your preference. I have chosen the day, month, year format. Next, you can adjust the time format as your liking. I have selected the hour-minute format. Once I have done making my necessary changes, I must save these settings to make them permanent. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. I have changed the default time zone, date and time format of my WordPress site. I will now check if this change has changed the format of displaying date and time in my post in the admin panel. I am opening a post in edit mode. It appears that the published date and time format of the post has changed. I am also opening that post in the sidebar. It turns out that changing the default time zone to match my region also changed the site's date and time format. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, I would appreciate if you consider to subscribe to my channel. Also, please press the bell icon to get notification when I publish new stuffs. Please stay tuned for more tips and tricks videos on WordPress.